everybody. We have an extremely insane day today. It's the charity drive, and lo and behold, it decides to dump snow on us the night before. So I got guys out here cleaning the parking lot, spreading salt so nobody slips. Guys inside setting up totes to take all the donations, getting hot chocolate ready, getting all the decorations ready. And on top of all that, we got a special guest coming to visit us. Remember Nightmare? Guess who's here? Jose Villanueva! What up, buddy? How you doing?
Good.
Congratulations, my man.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Hey, tell the people who you are.
Hey, my name is Jose Villanueva, and I just won Nightmare.
Yeah! What was it like when I called you?
I got pale. I started sweating. I just couldn't believe it.
You got pale and started sweating?
Yeah. My wife starts talking to me. She goes, Jose, what's going on? What's wrong? What are you? I'm like, hold on, wait. And I was like, there's no way. And then I heard you guys on the phone. Hey, are you telling me one? Then I got muted, and somebody just goes, I just look at both of them like, no, I can't believe it. We'll call you back tomorrow. I was like, no. I started screaming. I was like, oh my God.
This is a big team.
Yeah, exactly. Longest day of my life after that.
How did you get entered to win?
I got on your Instagram website.
Yeah.
I clicked from there, and I bought this exact same shirt.
You got this shirt?
Yep.
One shirt, one truck?
That was it.
That's a good deal right there.
Right, exactly.
And you're from Florida?
Yeah.
What part?
I live in Williston, Florida right now.
Williston, Florida?
I'm originally from Puerto Rico, though.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
Right on.
yeah.
So this truck's going to fit in perfectly
Oh,
down
yeah,
there in Florida?
most definitely.
There's a couple big trucks down there.
Yeah. Not
Yeah.
too many. Not as good as this one.
That's what I'm
you know.
talking about. I don't think we should tease him anymore. Think we should tease you anymore?
Nah, I don't
You ready
think
to see
so.
it?
Yeah, for sure.
Come check out your truck. Woo. Here it is.
Oh my God. That is crazy.
Not too bad.
Not at all.
Not too bad,
Not
right?
at all. Oh man. Sweating again. Jeez.
Go ahead, man. Check it out. Hop in there. The air freshener.
Yeah, it smells great. Thank you guys.
Nice. Hey, you afraid of a little snow?
No, not at all.
Let's hit the road.
All right.
Open the door. This is the ultimate test. Before we send anybody out,
Yeah.
we send them through the gate, because if you can drive a big old truck through that,
Yeah.
then you can go anywhere. All right. So you pass the tunnel test, man. You're ready to go home. We'll still take you on the open road.
Yeah.
Are you excited to see Daddy's new truck? It's a big truck. You're gonna love it.
Hey, she's coming. She's coming.
He's passing the test. Davis is here too.
What's up, everyone?
Hey, now you guys are on TV, yeah! What'd you think of the truck?
When I get it to Florida, I'll be able to speak more. But never seen something so pretty. I'll tell you that much for sure.
Hey, is there anything you want to tell the people at home?
Hey, it's real. Don't believe all those guys, those naysayers that say, oh, it's not real. It's just all lies. Look at the just beauty that I just won. So remember, guys, just enter, buy whatever you want, and you always have a chance.
You're the man.
Yeah.
You can win a truck just like him. Sound good?
Great. You look like Santa.
Ho, ho, ho! Hans, what did you ask me for Christmas? Oh! Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas! Hello, little girls. How are you? Merry Christmas! Have you been good this year? Hi, babies. Oh, you want to take a picture with Santa? Cheese to Alex. Cheese.
Keep saying cheese.
Yep, tell me more.
I've gone to the charity drives.
Uh-huh.
I've been working really hard. I've done everything Hans asked me. I've cleaned my room twice.
I
I think I really deserve that pony.
A pony!
Yeah.
A pony. Will you drive that pony 55 miles an hour to work every day?
Oh, you bet, Santa. I'll save the environment.
Oh. You got it, son. One pony. Hey, Hans! I saved a spot on Santa's lap. Santa, no. 5 minutes. Santa Claus came? Oh, man. Did you guys tell him what I wanted for Christmas? You didn't tell him what I wanted? Oh, man. Ho, ho, ho! It's almost time to open the doors and let everybody in. We got the vehicle set up perfect. You got the Kraken, the Razor, the Sisu Nasu, and if you get hungry and thirsty along the way, we've got hot cocoa with marshmallows. My elves are already working on it. We got kebabs of donuts, delicious donuts, where you then walk into this room, you see the electric mini bike for drag racing. You see the current giveaway truck. You see the ripsaw. You see the Brodozer. And this whole time you've been weighed down with all those donations you have. This is where you can donate them and put them in those boxes. You put your donations in the box. My elves will sort it out, give it to whichever box needs it most, and then you enter the round. You come through the door where you will see Diesel Claus and his elves. Ho, 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 ho. Guys, it's been a wonderful night. We had a lot of people come, donate a lot of stuff that's gonna do a lot of good for a lot of people. And we got to meet everyone. It was the best. All you guys who came, thank you so much. You made a huge difference. And I hope everybody has the merriest Christmas of all. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!